Hi, I'm Devin. I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health, and today I'll show you how easy it is to fit your Vive elbow brace. So with the elbow brace, you're going to want to fit it with the shorter strap around your forearm and the longer strap above your elbow around the bottom of your bicep. You'll put the point of your elbow in line with the pad here, slip your arm through the stretch sleeve until it's into place. From there, wrap the first strap around, secure it to where it's compressive, but it's not uncomfortable. Bring that second strap around, test the fit, make sure your elbow's in the proper place, and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.